If you are new to the channel, subscribe our channel for latest update. Press the bell icon. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am AutoCAD faculty of NGCC Software Technologies. So today we are going to learn about how to link AutoCAD file in Revit. So here we go. New. Just check this is origin to origin, and this should be current view only. Open. So here now it gets open, but it is not in its original size. When I am taking its dimension, it is showing the value, just see 0 feet. So we have to scale it to increase its size. First of all, select the link, then unpin it. Now click on scale. So this is how we link the AutoCAD file. That means we open AutoCAD file in the Revit file, and now in the next classes we are going to work on this project with ground floor, first floor and terrace, how to work on AutoCAD file in the next upcoming classes. Thank you.